Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic that is again from tenses, past perfect tense you can see on the screen. We will discuss thoroughly past perfect continuous past perfect tense. We will try to differentiate past perfect tense and past simple tense as well. So you people have to watch the video till the end. Don't miss watching this important video. You will get uh, each and every concept about past perfect tense. Okay, we will continue. What is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense, we need to know about the definition of past perfect tense, the usage of past perfect tense, the structure of past perfect tense, and the situations there we use the past tense is very important. You know that we can communicate in any tense, but when we use past perfect tense or any tense in a specific time in its own appropriate time, it means that we know about the tenses, the language, the nature of language. Likewise, we will do in this video. The past perfect tense is a verb form used to express actions that were completed before a certain point in the past. This is very tricky to understand. You need to listen very carefully. For example, the action that was continued in the past. Okay, and it was still relevant to the present in the past, still in the past, and we are in present. We are talking about past, and a past, the action in the past and that was continued in the past, it has some relevance in the past, and we are talking about it from the present. This is a quite difficult thing. For example, likewise, when we learn present perfect tense, the action that is continued in past and it has some relationship in present, it has some influence in present, and we are talking about it. For example, the action that was started in the past and it is completed now, and we haven't started the another action related to it in the present, in that is present perfect tense. When we talk about the action that was continuing in the past, that is done in the past, and still we didn't start any other action in the past related to it, then we are using past perfect tense. Got it? And we will say that I had completed my task, my friend came there. I had completed my task, my friend came there, means that recently I had completed, I didn't start anything, my friend came there. This is what past perfect tense. Okay, so what is the definition? You will see here. The past perfect tense is a verb form used to express actions that were completed before a certain point in the past. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb had followed by the past participle of the main verb. Okay, this is done. Structure of the past perfect tense: subject plus head plus past participle. This is the very interesting thing. In the first slide I didn't explain it because it was here, that's why. Subject plus head plus past participle plus object you can write here plus complement you can add here, right? It is because part of the sentence, when you modify the sentence you can add any other thing to the sentence. It depends on your speaking the thing, what kind of thing you want to explain. It depends on you. For example, the main thing is this: subject, the doer of an action, or the thing that is being talked about in a sentence is our subject, plus head. Head is the helping verb. The only helping verb of past tense is this head, you need to keep in mind, plus past participle means the third form of a verb. For example, if we say speak, spoke, spoken, write, wrote, written, the written is third form, the spoken is third form, play, played, and played, the played is third form. Likewise, okay, plus object, we will have a sentence here. She had eaten breakfast before she went to work. She is subject here, had is this helping verb, eaten is past participle or third form, we can say breakfast, this is a object of the sentence, before she went to work, this is another tense. Okay, this is actually a complex tense, two clauses are here. Okay, another example. Okay, when to use the past perfect tense. Use the past perfect tense to indicate an action that occurred before another action in the past. What I was saying to you, I was trying to make you understand, this is here, right? The action that was happened before another action in the past. This is what our past perfect tense. And when we talk about it, the action that was completed in the past before another action, and we are talking about it from present, we are using past perfect tense by following the structure. Another thing, it helps to establish the sequence of events. Sometimes we can say it is used to give sequence to the events. Example, by the time he arrived they had already left. This is another example. Examples of past perfect tense. She had finished her work before she went to bed. They had already booked the tickets before the prices went up. By the time we got the party, they had already eaten all the pizza. Nice example. He realized he had forgotten his keys after he had left the house. So I hope that you understood this thing. A lot of examples in these four sentences. We have multiple examples. She had finished, this is perfect tense. They had already booked, this is past perfect tense. By the time we got the party, they had already eaten, this is past perfect tense. And he realized he had forgotten, this is the past perfect tense structure. So likewise, he had left, this is another past perfect tense. This is what the structure that we understood, and we identified the past perfect tense from these sentences. So I hope that you have got each and everything. If still there is any question, you can ask from any source, any platform, it is up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.